It's that time of year where it's getting very cold outside, and you may notice that there's a few drafts coming through your windows. So today we're going to show you how to sort out and repair the drafts in your windows. My name is Paul Haven. I run Window Fix Direct, and I have 38 years experience within the double glazing industry. The first thing you should do is use the back of your hand, because that feels the cold easiest. Just run it round the edge of the opening window, and that should tell you where the draft's coming from. Once you've done your draft test, you would normally find that it's drafty in these corners opposite to the handle, which would then be the hinges. An easy way to tell is in these corners opposite the handle, there would normally be a tiny gap, and that's where your draft will be coming through. So once you've decided that it is the hinges that are at fault, the way to replace them is you have to open the casement. On the hinges, there are three screws attached through the hinge into the frame, top and bottom. You undo those, lift out the casement. Once you've taken the window out, you remove the hinges from the casement. Just same again, three screws attaching them to the casement. Once you've removed them from the casement, you can measure them yourself and then order them from our website or bring them in and we will serve you from our counter. The second most common fault with drafty windows is your gaskets. The gaskets that run round the frame of your window. The way you will tell a faulty gasket is it'll be either very, very flat and with no spring in it, or the other thing is as you touch it, it will start to break away and be perished. When we replace a bubble gasket, we replace it with a memory bubble gasket. So once it's fitted, you will see when you close the window, it will actually be squeezing against the gasket, and that's creating your firm seal from the outside. To order your gasket, you can either order it from our website or you can pop in and pick up a roll from our trade counter. If you're not sure or you're not confident at carrying this out, give us a call on 01634 789 025 and we will by all means come out, diagnose the problem for you or carry the work out for you.